Hi guys, we are going to solve the next question given on April 18th, shift 1 question 2. Let's see the question. Find the common height difference or detect invalid input. Given the height of a tree for 4 consecutive weeks, calculate the difference between each week. If any height is negative, return not valid inputs. If any two weekly differences are the same, return that difference. If all differences are different, return none. Okay, in the question the given height of a tree for 4 consecutive weeks. It means the tree grows week by week. The height of 4 consecutive weeks they given. We have to calculate the differences between each consecutive week. I mean, first second week difference between second week and first week. Difference between third week and second week. Like that, you have to find all the differences between those 4 consecutive weeks, and if we found any two heights is same equal, we have to return that height, return the height, otherwise we have to return none. uh, it's simple. Okay, if if we give any height is negative, we have to print that is a not valid input. Okay, directly let's get into the code. I will explain. Okay, let's see the code. Scanner class imported, then trace class, then main method, then scanner object. Then we are taking the array for the to store the heights of consecutive weeks. Means heights of heights of tree for the consecutive weeks, for 4 week consecutive weeks. I'm creating the array with the length 4. Okay, then after we have to take the input for every week for up to 4 weeks. We have to take the input. Then we have to now the method difference. We take in the return type of string. Because we have to return, we have to print the string. We have to print in string format. None valid invalid inputs. Then if we found any differences equal, we have to find that difference. Okay, uh, then enter we array length, then loop. This is for if you found any negative height, you have to return not valid. Okay, for that we are taking the loop, and we, we checking every element, every at every index, it is greater than 0 or not. If we found anything negative, we return not valid inputs. Then the logic is here. Okay, we are creating an array with the length 3, because we get difference three differences for 4 consecutive weeks, 4 consecutive inputs. We get three differences because like 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3, we get three differences. Okay, if we found any of those two are same, we return the value. Otherwise, we are going to return the none. Okay, uh, the below condition, this is only difference of 0 equals to difference of 1, or difference of 0 equal to 1. We have to return the difference value. Okay, string dot value is used for converting the integer value into string. Okay, we have to return the string value. So okay, then else if difference of 1 equal to difference of 2, we have to return the difference 1. Okay, that's the this double quotes is used to convert the this we will get the integer. So we are going to convert this into string by using double quotes. Then we are going to return, else return none. Okay, this is the code. Let's run. Okay, let's go into height ఇవ్వాలి కదా. Them 2 4 5 7. I given two differences, 2 with. Okay, return 2. Okay, now check for another condition. If we give negative values, 2, -3, 6, 7, not valid inputs because I given the negative value. Then we check for none. Okay, none. How? 1, 2, 4, 7. Okay, only 4 కదా. None. Okay. Okay, guys.